Quick! Can you explain health insurance in one sentence? Neither can we. That's why we made this video to go over the basics. Hi, my name is Nur Aina Nabila binti Rusdi, and today we want to share with you about the medical and health insurance, or MHI. Understanding this MHI and how it works can help you choose a health plan that works for you and your budget. Medical and health insurance helps protect you from paying the full cost of your healthcare. A policy of MHI generally covers of private medical treatment such as hospital and healthcare in cases of chronic illness diagnosis or accident. The coverage is provided by a licensed insurance company in exchange for which you pay premiums. Make sure that when you purchase a MHI policies, you deal with only a registered insurer or its licensed agents or a registered insurance broker.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Nashwa Akila binti Nurizan, and today I would like to present to you about the 4 major types of medical and health insurance policy. So let's go through one by one. So the first one is hospitalization and surgical insurance. This is one of the most common and usually is the first type of medical insurance that comes to a mind for a person when considering insurance policies to purchase. This type of policy will provide a reimbursement of an actual medical expenses that are incurred in the event of an hospital treatment or a surgery for a medical condition that are covered. So the second one is dread disease or a critical illness insurance. This type of insurance usually terminates upon a full payout claim. This is when usually a critical illness has been confirmed from the claimant doctors or a hospital. This insurance provides a specified lump of sum. So the third one is disability income insurance. This type of medical insurance covers a portions of the income in the event that the policyholder is displaced from work when stricken with an illness or an injury. This type of medical insurance also will help to cover the living expenses following such disabilities. So the last one is hospital income insurance. This type of medical insurance provides some specified sum of money per day of hospitalization for any covered illness, sickness, and injury. This type of coverage can be an attractive proposition to add on for those who earn their wages on a daily basis. Thus, an admission to the hospital can make their lose their wages. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Husna Akila. So for today, I'm going to present about who need the medical health insurance and which way they can get the medical health insurance. First, employee. Employee can get their insurance through group health insurance. What is group health insurance? Group health insurance known as employer-based coverage. This insurance provides coverage to a group of employees of a company. This insurance purchased by the company and offered to its employees. Team members receive insurance at lower price because the risk of the insurer is shared through a group of policyholders. Group plans cannot be purchased individual and require at least 70% participation by group members to be valid. The cost of premium is split between the companies and its members. Coverage of health insurance may also be available at additional cost to the immediate family or other dependents of the group members. Second is individual. Individual who turn 26 years old, unemployed, self-employed, part-time worker, employer, and retired. Individual health insurance cover a single person or family. This insurance purchased by an individual that can be customized to meet their personal needs and budget to the individual and their families. The individual will incur high cost on health insurance premium because the individual paying the full cost of premium compared to group health insurance, which is they share their premium cost between the employer and the employee.
Hello, my name is Nurnadarira. So today I will share with you guys why we need medical insurance in our life. The First point in why we need medical insurance in our life is to fight lifestyle diseases. Lifestyle diseases, especially among individuals under the age of 45, are on the rise in younger people too. Illnesses such as diabetes, obesity, respiratory disorder, and heart disease, all of which are prevalent in the older generation, are now widespread regardless of the age. A sedentary lifestyle, stress, pollution, unhealthy eating habits, gadget addiction, and undisciplined life are some contributing factors that leads to these illnesses. Although precautionary measures may help better and control these diseases, an accidental occurrence may be financially difficult to deal with. Choosing the right medical insurance will help you to pay for the various hospitalization and medical expenses such as hospital room and board, professional and surgery fees, and medical supplies and services that you will incur if you become ill or injured. This medical insurance also help you if you are not able to work because of illness or injury. The next point is to deal with medical inflation. As medical technology advances and illnesses increase, the cost of treatment is also growing, and it is necessary to note that medical costs are not limited to hospital alone. The cost of visiting a doctor, medical tests, ambulance fees, operating theatre costs, medications, room rent, and others is also continuously increasing. If you are not sufficiently prepared, all of this could place a tremendous strain in your finances. You can beat the pressure of medical inflation when opting for quality care by paying a reasonably inexpensive health insurance premium every year without thinking about how much it will cost you. And last but not least, to protect your savings. While an unforeseen diagnosis can lead to emotional anguish and stress, the cost can leave you exhausted. There is another side to coping with health conditions. You will help control your medical expenses without dipping into your savings by purchasing a suitable medical insurance policy. Some insurance companies also provide cashless treatment, so you don't have to think about refunds either. With this medical insurance, you can use your savings to buying a home for your child's education and retirement. In addition, medical insurance helps you to take advantage of tax advantages, further growing your savings. That's all from me. Thank you.
Now, once you have an idea of what type of MHI we need and roughly how much we can afford in premium, we can start shopping for a health insurance policy. Some of the things that we should look out for are the room and board limit, annual limit, lifetime limit, and the renewal. For example, AIA A Plus Health is a medical plan that not only provides a comprehensive medical coverage but also a complete health solution that supports you from prevention to hospitalization and to recovery. As you can see, the maximum amount this plan supports for the room and board is up to 500 ringgit. The annual claim limit is up to 2 million ringgit. Quite high, isn't it? And the best thing is, it doesn't have the lifetime limit. The features that are highlighted in this plan is that all claims are subject to a deductible of 300 ringgit for any one disability, hospital accommodation up to 150 days, investment-linked policy, and a lifelong coverage to age of 100. Deductible is a fixed amount you have to pay for the medical expenses incurred as cost sharing. You have to pay the first 300 ringgit out of the eligible expenses for any one disability, and the AIA will pay for the rest of the eligible expenses. As the saying goes, it's always best to prepare an umbrella before it rains. While being prudent with your finances is a good habit to have, misfortune in life can often come unannounced. In the event of a mishap, an insurance plan would be your safety net to afford sustained care and support for you and your loved ones without affecting your financial standing. Watch this video to understand the different types of insurance needs and how the different insurance types help Mr. Bunny protect his loved ones, their dreams, and also himself.
In the journey of life, we all have our hopes, passions, ups and downs. This is the story of Mr. Bunny. How he went through the ups and downs in his life whilst living to the fullest with the help of 5 types of insurance. After graduating, Mr. Bunny started working on a carrot farm as he always dreamt of owning a farm one day. It was an unusually sunny day as Mr. Bunny toiled in the farm.
It's so hot today.
Mr. Bunny was admitted to the hospital for a heat stroke. He had to stay in the hospital for 3 days, and his hospital bill came up to his full month's salary.
Phew! It's a good thing Daddy advised me to buy a medical insurance. Otherwise, this hospital stay would have burned a hole in my wallet.
After his stay in the hospital, Mr. Bunny started thinking more about what would happen to his pregnant wife if he was no longer around.
Darling, you and our future kids are the most important people to me.
Oh, that's so sweet of you.
You know, life is unpredictable. I've bought a life insurance to protect our family's future even when I'm no longer around.
Oh, touch wood.
Soon, Mrs. Bunny gave birth to 3 healthy baby bunnies. Mr. Bunny was overjoyed, but he also started to worry about his children's education.
Darling, there's no use worrying. We need to start planning ahead.
But how? We need to send all 3 of them to university at the same time.
Well, Mrs. Owl told me that she got a savings policy for each of her children. I think we should get it for our babies too.
One day, Mr. Bunny's father suffered a stroke due to his sedentary lifestyle and bad eating habits. After his stroke, he had to move around using a wheelchair and needed help in his daily life.
Daddy, I am worried about your medical costs. Do you need any help with paying your medical bills?
Son, don't worry. My critical illness insurance policy gave me a lump sum payment after I was diagnosed with stroke.
Well, that's great, Daddy. Let me know if you need help in anything else.
Learning from his father's experience with stroke, Mr. Bunny decided to start jogging daily to live healthier and better. On one of his daily runs with his best friend, Mr. Turtle, they met with an accident. They were both admitted to the hospital.
I won't be able to work for a month with my broken arm. How am I going to pay my daily expenses?
You don't have a personal accident policy to help you with that. My personal accident policy provides me with compensation when I've met with an accident and unable to work.
I didn't know that. I need to get one soon.
Understanding the 5 insurance types and how each play a part in your life can help you plan for your life to ensure you are fully protected from uncertainties. Medical insurance covers your hospitalization expenses. Life insurance protects your loved ones if the unfortunate happens to you. Savings insurance helps you achieve your financial goals. Critical illness insurance provides a lump sum payment if you are diagnosed with a critical illness. Personal accident insurance provides a lump sum payment in the event of an accident. Each insurance type is important in helping you live your life to the fullest and protecting your loved ones.
In short, health insurance may not be the most exciting things to shop for, but it is one of the most important things that you can buy for you and your family. That's all from us. Thank you.